What? A life form, sir?
Are you getting a reading?
No, I didn't get a reading at all. I just see a life form. Look!
Hey, y'all! Welcome to the planet.
Why aren't you showing up on our instrument?
Oh, that's because you're looking for Earth stuff. And this ain't Earth, y'all. Look here. Every living thing on Earth is built using instructions called DNA. And every DNA instruction uses the exact same code system, an alphabet of just 4 little old nucleobases. But when these 4 bases are arranged differently, we get different instructions. How about that? Instructions that cells follow to make proteins. And it's proteins that make living things what they are. And that's how it works on Earth.
Doesn't DNA work the same way here?
No, there's no intergalactic rule that says DNA works the same everywhere.
Oh.
Why, right now on your Earth, scientists are stretching those rules of life with synthetic DNA.
Stretching the rules of life? That's scary.
No, baby, it ain't scary. Look here. Let's say the DNA code was music notes, and every song was based on those notes. And then let's say someone came along and made brand new sounds and just slapped them into the song. Now that'd break a song, making noise instead of music. But y'all's Earth scientists have figured out how to fit their newfangled sounds into existing songs without them breaking. That could mean a whole different kind of music, one that you might even need a whole new kind of ear to hear.
That's weird.
Yes, it is. And mighty powerful. Synthetic DNA could mean new medicines, new fuels, and maybe even new life forms. Like you two handsome fellas.
But you're the new life form.
Oh, no, honey. I've been around much longer than you humans.
Is that how you know so much about our DNA?
That, and it's just plain delicious.
Delicious.